Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down twice from the top of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and one of those toggles will be a power saving mode. So let's see how long it takes me. There we go. So for me, it is on the third page. This is the default location of all the toggles, so you should find it in the same place, hopefully. Anyway, once you see this, you can tap on it. First time around, it will give you this pop-up: select the battery saver mode. You have standard battery saver and maximum battery saver. Now, most of you will be only interested in the standard battery saver. This is the one that you're probably most accustomed to, which does things like, for instance, reduces the screen refresh rate, turns on dark mode, and for instance reduces the screen on time, and does a couple other things in the background as well. While the maximum battery saver just kind of removes most of your applications from the home screen, makes them just gray and unusable to you, so it just basically disables almost everything that it doesn't consider priority, like messages, phone, and a couple other applications. So you probably want to check this one, but you can obviously mess around with this option. Whichever one you select right now will be the default mode later on that you will be turning on and off when you go to tap on the toggle here. So when I tap on it, it's now going to turn it off. If I go back there, it's going to automatically re-enable the last used mode. So if you want to swap it to other one, you can, instead of tapping on this toggle, hold it, and this will take you to the settings, and here you can choose the other mode as well. And you can see that's how it looks like, the other maximum power saving mode. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.